Tēnā koutou hoa mā. This is a tutorial on how to use the Te Reo app. So once you have installed the Te Reo app on your computer, you should see a little icon like this of our green kete written underneath is Te Reo app. So you simply click on that twice, double click it with your mouse, and it'll open up like this. So the purpose of this is to help students with their pronunciation of Te Reo Māori and to show them a brief direction of speech, so who's talking to who. And so pretty much any Māori word that you click on, it will do this, and you simply click on it and it'll say something. Māori. Māori. So that'll say Māori. So any word you'll click on in Te Reo Māori, it'll say it, except for this word here, which is the designer of the workbooks. And so to the left here, we'll just take a brief tour of the home page. So to the left here is all the different lessons coinciding with the workbook 1. As mentioned in class, this app is only useful in conjunction with the in-class lessons and workbook 1 out of the Introduction to the Māori Language series. And so these are all the lessons down here, lesson by lesson. These are the names of the lessons, and these are the page numbers of the lessons. So if you want to look up lesson 6, you go to this. If you know the name of it, asking and saying where someone is living now, you go to this. If you know the page number, you hit this. All of these links are clickable to go to that page. Lesson 1 will take you to this. Lesson 1, vowels, consonants, page 4. So all of these buttons, or all these links here, I should say, are all clickable. Okay, over here, obviously we have the title of the workbook. Down here we have designer information, copyright information, and designer of the workbooks, and who inspired running the Te Reo classes at the Baptist Church. Along the side here, these buttons here take you to these different interactive workbooks. So you will find audio and video in these different things. So before we go on to those, and down here you'll see that this says close app here, so you simply click that button and it will close the app. Okay, so we'll start that up again. And so let's start off with lesson 1. So simply just click on the lesson and it'll bring you up with this. Now, so you click on any one of these, and they will say the words. Okay, and so there is also some old waiata that were introduced many years ago, and this is one of them. So you click on that button to listen to the vowels waiata, and it'll play it for you. You can adjust the sound here. You can pause it here or stop it here. Okay, so you can pause it or stop it. And it'll stop it. So we close the player down. This button here will close the player. Okay, and over here you click this button and it'll play another waiata. For the consonants. Okay, so once again you can adjust the sound here, pause it here, stop it there, or just simply close the player there like that. Okay, along the side here we've got a go to the home page, go to the next page, and close the app. We've already seen what close the app does. So the home page takes you back to the first page where the table of contents are and the title of the workbook are. Okay, so the next page takes you to the next page in your workbook. So if you click on that, simply go to the next page and it'll pop up like that. I'm just going to move that down. Okay, and so simply, once again, you just click on one of these Māori words and it'll pronounce the word for you. But not only that, it'll show you where it is on the map here, see? Te Puke. is over here. Te Aroha is over here, up above Morrinsville. Okay. And Hamilton, so you just simply click on these and it'll help you pronounce the word. Not only that, it will show you where it is on the map. So previous page obviously takes you back to the previous page where we were. Next page, we'll go back there again. Alternatively, you can go to the home page and pick any page you want down here. Okay, so let's go to asking and saying where someone is from. Okay, so over here it actually says a whole sentence for you. It gives you the English translation over here, and also it gives you who's talking to who here and a direction of speech. So the green guy over here is talking to the blue guy. Okay, and before I go to any further, I should go back to the first greeting, which is this here. Okay. No, here it is here, sorry. So we'll take a look at this one first. Okay, so tēnā koe simply means hello to one person. Okay, in this context, this app is, the green guy pretty much represents you talking to other people. Okay, so it's got written up here, represents you talking to others. Okay, whether they're male, female, groups, or whatever. Okay, so that represents you again, talking to these two people. So this represents you again, talking to three people or more. Okay, so pretty much the green guy represents you. There will be instances where there is an old lady, a woman, and if you're not an old lady or a woman, it doesn't really matter, but the guts of it is the green person on the left represents you talking to others, so it helps you with direction of speech. Okay, so let's go back to the home page again, and we'll look at some numbers. So okay, in this context, you click on the word, the Māori word, and it shows you how many things or people are being represented. Okay, let's go back home. So it's pretty simple. You just click on what you want to learn about, and we suggest in the classes that you go page by page as we work through the workbook and the lessons. So don't jump ahead and try and learn, because if you try and jump ahead and learn too much, too fast, you'll end up losing it all. Okay, so let's just move slowly and go through the lessons, lesson by how we're learning it in the classes. Yeah, so you simply click on any Māori word up here. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So let's go back to the home page and let's have a look at some karakia. Okay, so simply you can click on the Māori word. Okay. Okay, and then you simply click on the play button, and it'll play it for you. Okay, click on that one, and it'll stop the previous one and play the next one. Beginning prayer, page 4. Okay, so you can stop any audio by hitting the big stop button. Let's go back to home, take a look at Himene. Okay, same setup again, once again, pretty much. Okay, so te atua. So you can say the word here. Okay, you click on this and it'll play a video for you this time. So once again, you can adjust the volume here, or pause it and stop it here. Okay, or stop it there as well Oh no, actually that stops the whole thing and closes the player down. Okay. Okay. Okay, pause, stop, close. Okay, let's go back to home again and take a look at this mihi. Okay, mihi greetings over here. So once again, they're in your mihi book, so you can click. And this is a short mihi.
Forms of greeting from the book He Puka Puka Mihi. First greeting, page 2. Tēnā koutou katoa.
Okay, stop it there. Let's go back to home, and we've got one more button here, which is more workbooks, which is actually inactive at the moment. So that is inactive at the moment because I am still working on workbook 2 for the Te Reo classes, and hopefully I will have it ready by the time the Takahia class and the class from Tatua Nui, sorry, reach book 2. Okay, so this app is pretty much really for the beginner classes, and workbook 2 is pending. Okay, so that's pretty much the Te Reo app. Once again, I did design this app as a tool to hopefully help students work through the introduction to the multi-language series. Okay, thank you very much.